Hello viewers, I am Abdullah speaking in front of you. I am present with another blog. My brother, this is my brother name is Shad, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. This is Paddy Field, so nice, and I like Paddy Field. This is Paddy color, is golden color. It's so nice. I'm going to see water. This is river water. I can see dead snake. This is muddy. I can see duck. This is duck and water. I can see some duck and one water. Hello viewers, I can see some visitors. This net name is Kanet net. I can see two birds, one water. I am going with my little brother. I can see heavy stone. Going up. My brother. Stay with me for the next video. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.